Hey guys, welcome back to JB Game. Brandon's not here, but it is 3, almost 4. I got some sleep. It's fine. I did my afternoon sleep, so I didn't have to go to school. Not school, work. Well, I'm gonna have dinner, so let's do some things on the computer. I am going to watch U-Box. Ooh, Nyan Cat is on. Just gonna watch that. I have my work right there. I'll see. Gonna get a snack. I'm gonna eat dinner soon. So just gonna watch some of my Nyan Cat. I wanna watch some TV actually. Let's go. Okay, no. No. Yeah. Let's see. Alright. Just gonna watch some. Oh, did I press watch? I forgot to press watch. Sorry guys. Get in. Let's see what my thing is. Ooh, I'm gonna have dinner at 6, guys. Yeah. Dinner at 6 is good. Let's see. Alright, pretty good. We can shut off the TV soon. I'm gonna have to go to the bathroom. Let's go. Turn off my TV. Go to the bathroom. Off my lights on. Go to the bathroom. Take a nice shower. Nice shower. Now let's just wash some of my hands. Let's see. Wash hands. Let's wash my hands. Okay, my hands are washed. Let's see. Alright, let me start making some dinner. Let's go. And then let's see. Okay. And we're going to be making. They got new stuff. Chili, pancakes, bacon, eggs. That's for breakfast. I am going to make tacos. Sound good. No, wait, I didn't want to make coffee. I just wasted my money on accident, guys. They won't let me cook. Wait, what? Oh, they got a new thing. You need to. Oh, okay, so counter. There we go. Let's cut. They updated it really good. Fry. Let's fry my tacos. Just gonna fry my tacos. Okay, just fry them up. Taking a little while to fry. It's taking a while. I don't know what to do. What just happened, guys? Why does this take so... now I can place them on my table right here. Place tacos. Sit there. Oh, I'm sitting the wrong way. Oop, I placed all my chairs the wrong way. I'll take a portion. Num 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 num. Very hungry. Let's take another. Oh, let's place these tacos. Now let me watch a movie. Gonna put on a nice little movie. Go watch the cooking show. And let's watch it. I'm just gonna eat my popcorn. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Pretty good. Now let's shut off the TV, turn off. Okay, so I have work to do. So I'm just gonna read about everything I need to do. Okay, pretty good. Okay, now I have to write. Let me read my homework. Okay, so that's from work. I need to write in a whole essay because my work is out writing it. So let's write a book because I need to. Let's see, what am I writing? I am writing random stuff about the book I read. So that's I'm gonna make my own story. No, I'm not copying it. And yeah, because that's what my boss said. I do work at home sometime because I work numerous jobs. Alright. Okay, I'm good. I need to. Let's do this. Let's go upstairs. Now I need to take my shower and brush my teeth. Take my shower, brush my teeth. Okay, shower's done. And all I have to do is brush my teeth. I'll brush. Let's change into my pajamas. Let's shut off my lights for the night. Off. It's time to go to bed. Time to go to bed. I just need to change into my pajamas. Change outfit. Oh no, wait, never mind. Sorry. Customize character. I need to. Okay, clothing, pants, PJ. Let's see if I can find something. Cause I kinda can't do anything. Oh yeah, guys, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna be 10. I'm gonna be a kid. No, I don't wanna be that. Actually, I do wanna be that. No, wait. Now I wanna change my outfit. Perfect. Now let's go, guys. Let's control. Alright. I am going to walk. Maybe I can live with this person over here. Let's see, guys. Oh, this is a restaurant. Let's just sleep in it. I guess nobody's home. So it's Libby. Libby. Hello? Hello? Nobody's home. So let's go try it. I do not want to walk, so guys, I'm gonna grab something. I'm gonna grab, let's do the squad. Alright, let's see, maybe her house, I gotta park it over here, and let's knock on her door. Maybe she's not home either. Oh, can you be my mommy? I have no money. I have. Oh my, that was just rude. She was shutting on me. That was rude, guys. Maybe her. What's in my closet? No. Like, she's a very rude guy. Very. Okay, let's go to the next house. She was like, no, sorry, but what if they really needed help? Okay, let's go here. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Can you be my dad? I have no home, no parents. That's good, guys. With a cherry on top. That's perfect for a little kid. Please, with the cherry on top. Is it gonna turn out, guys? Put in the comments if you think it's gonna turn out. Thank you, JFK. Let's wait, please, again. Oh. No. I need a cookie. That's 8. That's a 10. I have music $50. I have music $50. Like, gosh, what is he gonna say? How much money left? What? That's how much. What is left? What is what? What is what? That's how much money I have. Money I have. I have $50. I, oh my god. How much money? Okay. Guys, it works! Okay. This is a terrible room, guys. I think I should leave. Sir, keep the money. I'm leaving the game. God. Okay, guys, that's it for the video. Subscribe and give this a big fat like if you like it. Let's see the next